What is this? I could build my own car? Okay, here I go. Onward. Oh my, are those stockings? Damn, she's grown up. So yeah, she was old and then turned herself back into a kid and then I guess just aged normally from there. This bitch is probably like 130 years old. She's fucking shocked. Absolutely shocked. Flabbergasted even. Also, I'm pretty sure Pura is gonna get a ton of art. Where do I find Gerudo? I must know! Up northwest of here, there's the Rito village in Hebra. There they are! They're jotted down! They're right there! To be honest, that's why we haven't tested this out yet. We needed you. Which brings us to this. Oh, the paraglider! Fucking finally! Now it's time for our very first test launch. I mean, our first test! She goes to her lab, just makes a coffee, looks out the window, just enjoys the show. Okay, now we're in Dojin territory. Alright, I guess I'll start by going to the Rito village again. When dungeon? Don't worry, it's coming up. Yeah. Here it comes. Whoa! What the hell? I'm fucking fighting a tree! Okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. The fucking exploding trees from Earthbound. The fucking another one. That legit scared me. They're right in the wagon. That's funny. Did you catch this angel for me? It's just what I pictured. Perfect for pulling my wagon.
What?
Huh? You mean that? You'd really part with such a wonderful horse?
Oh.
Stella's stuck in the past and you're hitting on horse girls. Yeah. Amazing, compelling gameplay. What the fuck is this marking? I guess it's in the canyon. I can't bring my horse down there though. I guess I'm leaving horse behind. Goodbye, horse. Wait, is it? There's a stable right here? I jumped from here to leave my horse behind. God damn it, I could have registered him there. Maybe he's still here. Oh, he's still here! What's up, bro? Based horse. Waited for me. What the fuck are you wearing? Courage to fall? What? Alright, I'm falling. He just poked me. Why is this town all run by, like, kids? There's, like, no adults here. All the adults died and the kids hatched after. Very sad lore. 1,000? Fucking $1,000,000,000. Why are the pants twice the price of the fucking armor? What kind of scam are you running here?
Link!
Who? This is that little dude from the first game. He's grown up a tiny bit. Yeah. That's right, keep your guard up. Wow, imagine losing your weapon to a monster. Wait, what? But is this guy just like my partner now? The fucking Paper Mario partner. A Gerudo partner, yeah, I'll go to the Gerudo place. ASAP. I like how slow Toland flaps as you're climbing. Wind Temple. Question is it a proper dungeon?
Hey Link, damit kriegen wir eins der Schlösser.
I'm liking the German dub. I mean, I'll tell you one thing. I'm glad I'm not hearing British VA Zelda. I'm glad that dual audio was a feature in this game from the get-go. What they give you is these portable ones where you can spawn whatever device you want at any given point. I'm getting sniped.
Noch 3 Stück. Das schafft.
Just shot. He just poked the bird. He just went, ugh! Alright, this is a big lever. Massive lever.
Geschafft, Link. Das Tor auf dem Hauptdeck sollte nun offen sein.
Good shit, Link. Way to fucking go, attaboy. Ice worm. Amazing motif in the song, by the way. He went to the store and bought more jewels.
Super, Link. Da muss ich mich ranhalten.
I pushed the button too late. I should have added Groose, yeah.
Wir da reingeraten, sind wir geliefert. Pass gut
This
auf.
game will forever be worse without him. It kind of looks like an Ultra Beast from Sun and Moon. You know what though? I'll take it over a Blight Ganon fight. I'll tell you that much. This is far better than a Blight Ganon fight. No, don't touch that, kid! You're gonna be isekai'd! Don't do it! You idiot.
Oh, Link! Das ist ja der totale Wahnsinn! Dass mich mein Ahne mit so einer Aufgabe betraut hat. Und dass ich dafür mit dir in den Kampf fliegen darf. Das könnt ihr gleich vergessen. Ich bin mehr als bereit. Her mit dem Mysterienstein.
Hate children.
Das hier ist meine tolle neue Macht.
Alright, I love wind.
Hey, Link. Deinen Arm bitte.
What? I can't. Twitch mods.
Dir für
Someone
alle
censor
Zeit
this.
beizustehen.
Sorry. Oh my god, it's finally summer. The difference between May 31st and June, or May 31st and June 1st. Thousands of species die. Yeah, seriously. Such rapid change in temperature would fucking shock so many fucking bugs and birds and shit. Yeah, Tulid starts floss dancing during this segment.